IB Biology 2026, question 1. Let's move on to part B of the past paper question. Now, the scientists are looking below the surface at the soil microbes. They are measuring microbial activity after 5 days of exposure to that toxic sumac extract. Let's crush these next 3 marks instantly. Question B, number 1, is a direct data reading point. It asks you to identify the microbial activity and the concentration of 10. If you follow the 10 line straight up to the point and look across to the y-axis, it sits exactly one small square above 0.3. Each square is 0.02, so your exact answer for the box is 0.32 arbitrary units. Don't forget the units if they aren't provided on the line. Question B, number 2, wants us to describe the overall effect of the extract on these microbes for 2 marks. To get full marks here, you can't just say it goes down. You need to break the graph into its distinct phases. First, write that microbial activity decreases overall as extract concentration increases. That's your first mark. For your second mark, describe the shape of the line. Activity drops sharply from 0 to 2.5, plateaus or stays constant between 2.5 and 7.5, and then takes a final sharp plunge down to 10. Showing the examiner that you see the plateau is exactly how you secure both marks. Bonus tip for your next class discussion. Look at those massive error bars in the middle. They overlap significantly between 2.5 and 7.5, which proves that the microbial activity doesn't actually change during that plateau phase. Drop your questions below and make sure you follow for part 3 of this paper.